Margaret had always believed that a t-shirt was just something you wore at home, comfortable, simple, and nothing special. At 63, she owned several soft cotton t-shirts in different colors, neatly folded in her dresser drawer. They were perfect for relaxing around the house, but she never imagined wearing one to lunch with friends, church gatherings, or family events. To her, a t-shirt felt too plain to look stylish after 60. Everything changed one sunny afternoon when her friend Alina arrived for tea wearing a crisp white t-shirt paired with elegant trousers. The shirt fit beautifully, smooth cotton fabric, modest neckline and sleeves that rested gently on her arms. It looked clean, polished, and surprisingly sophisticated. Margaret couldn't stop staring. "You look so put together," Margaret said with curiosity. "I never knew a simple t-shirt could look that good." Alina smiled warmly and adjusted the hem of her shirt. "A t-shirt can be one of the most stylish pieces in your wardrobe," she explained. "The secret is learning how to style it the right way." That moment opened Margaret's eyes to a new way of dressing, one that combined comfort, confidence, and modern elegance after 60. Stay with us as we explore 5 simple ways to style a t-shirt after 60, including the surprising trick most women don't know. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Style After 50 for more timeless fashion tips and inspiration. Part 1. Tuck your t-shirt into well-fitted pants. The next morning, Margaret stood in front of her wardrobe holding a soft white cotton t-shirt. The fabric felt light and breathable, with a smooth texture that rested gently against her skin. The sleeves were modest, stopping just above her elbows, and the neckline sat neatly along her collarbone. It was a simple shirt, nothing fancy, but Alina had promised it could look stylish with the right touch. Margaret reached for a pair of well-fitted charcoal dress pants hanging neatly in her closet. The pants were made from comfortable stretch fabric, designed to sit naturally at her waist without feeling tight. The legs fell straight down to her ankles, creating a clean, elegant line. She stepped into the pants and pulled them up, feeling how comfortably they hugged her waist and hips. Then she remembered Alina's first styling tip. "Don't leave the t-shirt hanging loose," Alina had said. "A proper tuck makes all the difference." Taking a deep breath, Margaret gently tucked the t-shirt into the waistband of her pants. She smoothed the fabric carefully around her stomach and sides, making sure the shirt lay flat and neat. Immediately, she noticed the transformation. The tucked-in t-shirt created a more defined shape, highlighting her waist and making her posture look taller and more confident. To complete the look, she added a simple leather belt in a warm brown color. The belt sat comfortably at her waist and gave the outfit a polished finish. Margaret turned slowly in front of the mirror, smiling at her reflection. The outfit looked clean, modern, and surprisingly elegant. She realized that sometimes the smallest change, like tucking in a t-shirt, could completely transform how a woman looks and feels after 60. For more simple styling tips and confidence-boosting fashion ideas, don't forget to like and subscribe to Style After 50. Part 2. Layer your t-shirt with a stylish blazer or jacket. Later that week, Margaret prepared to meet her friends for lunch at a small cafe downtown. She opened her closet and reached for her favorite light blue t-shirt. The fabric was soft cotton, smooth to the touch, with a neat round neckline and comfortable short sleeves. It felt relaxed and easy to wear, but she still wondered how to make it look more refined for a social outing. Just then, she remembered Alina's second styling tip. "A t-shirt becomes instantly elegant when you layer it," Alina had explained. "A blazer or jacket adds structure and makes the outfit look intentional." Margaret scanned her wardrobe and noticed a tailored beige blazer hanging neatly on a wooden hanger. The blazer had clean lines, a slightly fitted waist, and lightweight fabric that felt comfortable without being heavy. She slipped on the blue t-shirt first, smoothing the hem gently over her hips. Then she carefully put on the blazer, adjusting the shoulders so it sat perfectly in place. Standing in front of the mirror, she noticed an immediate transformation. The blazer framed the t-shirt beautifully, giving the outfit a polished and sophisticated appearance. The soft cotton of the shirt balanced perfectly with the structured design of the jacket. The look felt modern, stylish, and suitable for many occasions, from lunch with friends to casual meetings or even church gatherings. Margaret paired the outfit with simple black trousers and comfortable low-heeled shoes. As she walked toward the door, she felt confident and put together without sacrificing comfort. That day, she learned another valuable lesson. Layering a t-shirt with a blazer or jacket can turn a basic outfit into something elegant and fashionable after 60. For more stylish and practical fashion tips, Don't forget to like and subscribe to Style After 50 for timeless inspiration made just for you. Part 3. Choose the right t-shirt fabric and fit. The following morning, Margaret stood in her bedroom sorting through a stack of t-shirts she had collected over the years. Some were thin and slightly stretched, others had faded colours, and a few felt rough against her skin. She picked up one particular shirt, a loose grey t-shirt made from very thin fabric. The neckline had begun to sag, and the material no longer held its shape. She slipped it on and walked toward the mirror. The shirt hung awkwardly from her shoulders, looking shapeless and tired. The sleeves drooped and the fabric clung in some places while sagging in others. Margaret frowned slightly. The shirt felt comfortable, but it didn't look polished or flattering. Just then, Elena's voice echoed in her mind. After 60, the fabric and fit of your t-shirt matter more than ever. A good quality shirt makes you look instantly more elegant. Margaret returned to her dresser and picked up another t-shirt, a soft cream-coloured one made from thicker, high-quality cotton. The fabric felt smooth and structured, holding its shape without being stiff. It had a modest neckline that sat neatly against her chest, and the sleeves ended at just the right length to cover her upper arms comfortably. She slipped the new t-shirt on and turned toward the mirror again. The difference was clear. The shirt fit her shoulders perfectly, skimmed gently over her body and looked clean and refined. The richer fabric gave the outfit a more polished appearance, even though the style was still simple. Margaret smiled, realizing that choosing the right fabric and fit was one of the easiest ways to elevate a basic t-shirt into something stylish after 60. For more helpful fashion tips and simple style ideas, don't forget to like and subscribe to Style After 50 for timeless inspiration and confidence-boosting outfits. Part 4. Add a statement necklace or scarf. Most women don't know this trick. A few days later, Margaret prepared to attend her weekly book club meeting. She reached into her drawer and pulled out a soft white t-shirt made from smooth cotton fabric. The shirt had a modest round neckline and short sleeves that rested comfortably on her arms. It fit nicely, not too tight and not too loose, and felt light and breathable against her skin. She paired the t-shirt with her favourite black trousers and comfortable flats. Standing in front of the mirror, she tilted her head slightly. The outfit looked neat and comfortable, but something felt missing. It seemed a bit too plain for a social gathering. Just then, she remembered Elena's fourth styling tip, the one she had almost overlooked. Accessories can transform a simple t-shirt into a stylish outfit, Elena had explained. Most women don't realize how powerful a necklace or scarf can be. Curious, Margaret opened her jewelry box and reached for a bold statement necklace made of gold-toned beads. The necklace was eye-catching but still elegant, designed to sit perfectly along the neckline of her t-shirt. She carefully placed it around her neck and adjusted it so it rested neatly on the fabric. The transformation was immediate. The simple white t-shirt suddenly looked more sophisticated and intentional. The necklace drew attention upward toward her face and added personality to the outfit without overwhelming it. The plain shirt now looked stylish enough for a lunch date, church meeting, or casual event. Margaret smiled brightly at her reflection, surprised by how such a small addition made such a big difference. That day, she realized why this tip was the one most women didn't know. The right accessory can instantly elevate a basic t-shirt into an elegant, polished look after 60. For more smart styling secrets and timeless fashion ideas, don't forget to like and subscribe to Style After 50. Part 5. Pair your t-shirt with elegant shoes and well-fitted skirts. On Sunday morning, Margaret prepared for church and decided to put everything she had learned into practice. She reached for a soft lavender t-shirt hanging neatly in her closet. The fabric was smooth, slightly thicker than her older shirts, and held its shape beautifully. The neckline sat comfortably along her collarbone, and the sleeves covered her upper arms in a flattering way. It felt simple, yet refined. Instead of reaching for her usual trousers, Margaret remembered Elena's fifth styling tip. A t-shirt doesn't have to be worn only with pants, Elena had said. Pair it with a well-fitted skirt and elegant shoes, and it can look just as graceful as a blouse. Margaret opened her wardrobe and selected a knee-length navy skirt made from structured, wrinkle-resistant fabric. The skirt had a gentle A-line shape that moved smoothly as she walked. She tucked the lavender t-shirt neatly into the waistband, smoothing the fabric carefully so it lay flat against her body. The combination instantly created a balanced, feminine silhouette. Next, she reached for a pair of low-heeled leather shoes in a classic black finish. The shoes were polished, comfortable, and supportive, perfect for walking and standing throughout the morning service. As she slipped them on, she noticed how they completed the outfit, adding a touch of elegance to the simple t-shirt and skirt. Margaret stepped in front of the mirror and smiled warmly. The look felt graceful, comfortable, and stylish, proof that a basic t-shirt could be dressed up beautifully after 60. She gathered her handbag and headed toward the door with confidence. For more simple and elegant fashion tips that make everyday outfits look stylish after 60, don't forget to like and subscribe to Style After 50.